It's flooding. Tallahassee flooding. Flash flood alert. Get out of my way, you pierce. Extreme flooding. Extreme. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the ditch. Show you something. Now, 3 years ago, I made about 3 years ago, I developed a drainage system in my backyard to, instead of the water coming down this way, like this, along here, which it is a little bit, I wanted to divert it that way and out that way. This epic monsoon event has finally given me the opportunity to see if my drainage system has worked, and it has. I'm going to show you. Watch this. See that? Look what I did. See? I built that structure, see it? And then this one here, see that? See that? The water is going there. What's it doing? It's going out that way. It worked. It worked. My creation worked. Oh my God. The amount of drama that my wife is going to go through to pick up these two kids today. Woo! All right, I'm out.